Hi, my name is Laurel Anderson, founder of Laurel's Originals here in Costa Rica. And this YouTube channel is all about canvas rugs or canvas floor cloths. Canvas floor cloths are made from a very heavyweight cotton canvas, which is pre-shrunk, and then it's cut and sewn to any shape or size. It's painted and coated with polyurethane varnish to make it a beautiful piece of art that's resistant and durable that goes on your floor. If you're interested in making your own canvas floor cloths, then I have a playlist, Do-It-Yourself Canvas Floor Cloths, and it has many videos that I have filmed right here in my studio over the last 15 years, and I have many tips and tricks on how to help you make your canvas floor cloth. Now, if you'd like the first two modules of my course on how to sew a canvas floor cloth for free, you can sign up for my email list, Canvas Rug Crafters. Module number 1 is all about what weight do you want to use for what size rug, and it has a resource list on where you can get canvas. Module 2 is how you can prepare this canvas by pre-shrinking it before you cut and sew and paint. And if you're interested in any of my courses, then the links are below on how to sew a canvas floor cloth with a mitered corner, how to paint canvas floor cloths, and how to make a round canvas floor cloth. So just check all those links below. Now, if you're not interested in making your own, then take a look at many of the videos that we've done over the years where we started off with a concept and created a design so you can see what it looks like, the finished product in the home. I hope you enjoy this channel. Please subscribe, and if you click the notification button, then you'll be advised every time a new video comes out. And if you want to learn more about canvas floor cloths, then check out my website, laurelsoriginals.com. Thank you so much. Enjoy.